events, and useful activate events for when moving between generic apps, home screen, lock screen, app switcher, and call display. And next tweet is called Echo, and it's iOS 16 lock screen music player. Next tweet is called Glitter, and nice theme with a color transition. Modernize your device. This tweet is called Surge, low power alert. So here's the right one. Surge by it's in the Hyperetza repo, which is one that pretty much took over packets, and it's a low power alert. Setupify, create multiple setup for tweak preferences and restore setups. This is called Resurrection, and a completely redesigned dialer for the phone app. This is called Pixel, and built-in camera for the Photos app. This is called Phoenix, a redesign of the contact list for the iPhone. It's called iDevices, more information about your devices. 12 brings iPhone X features and more to devices running iOS 14. These features right here. A 5-icon dock, iOS 11 through 14, and it's a library tweak for our device, allows you to have 5 icons on your dock. Connect, safely message your friends and family. Dark mode on an iOS device. We have a Eclipse dark mode enhancer, iOS 13 to 14. So, dark mode on your iOS 13-14 device. iOS 16 lock screen. Terminal, which all mobile terminal, iOS 7. So a terminal application for iPhone. Ants and Springboard wallpaper for individual pages. Next is called Court. Notifications redefined. And the last week is called Echo, iOS 16 lock screen music player. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Peace.